MotoIB vlog. Right now I'm heading to work. I know it's early, but I am doing a double today. I'm covering one of my co-workers' days off today, so last night I got off my original time late, and I'm heading in early. But yeah, so I want to do another audio check and check out if this setup for the GoPro DR-07 Black it's good or bad. Well, yeah, guys. So this is my daily commute. So I usually take my bike every single day to work, and the days off I try to make some content for you guys. I'm already planning what I'm gonna shoot. Let me know what you guys want to see. I got oil change, spark plugs, coolant, and a throttle tube. It's an R6 throttle tube. I'm gonna put it onto my 2015 R3. If you guys want to see one of those videos, let me know. Comment, like the video, and subscribe. And then hit the notification bell so you can get the notification that I uploaded a video. Guys, it's coming to the end of my commute. But yeah, guys, usually for the vlogs, I keep these as more of a letting you guys know, keeping you in the loop of what kind of content I'm making. But even though get into the nitty gritty, I got a Patreon page that I made, so you guys can support me there. Different levels, different goals. I'll update the Patreon page, but yeah, if you guys want to support and make the content better, yeah, you can go over there, check out the Patreon. But overall, the vlogs is mostly letting you guys know what's going on in the channel. Then I got the Patreon page, so you can go in the background, check out what I'm doing. But yeah, right now I'm just doing the audio and video, but we'll see how it goes. If it comes out good, it's good. If not, I might have to get a different kind of microphone, or do a different kind of way of recording the audio. I do have a separate recorder that I use, but I got the DR-07 Black, so I got the dongle that I didn't want to get, but I got it, so I'm testing out the audio. But we'll see how the footage and the audio comes out. So it'll be interesting. But alright guys. Oh, come on. Yeah, so I'm coming close to my work area. So I'm not gonna show you guys what where I work, so but enjoy the last minute or two after the light changes, then we'll go from there. All right. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you later. Peace out.